In our health check today, with cold and flu season in full swing, the Oklahoma Poison Center wants you to be careful with giving the over-the-counter meds to your kids.
News 4's Austin Brissett spoke to the Poison Center about the problems that they see every year.
Whenever parents are grabbing cough and cold medications off the medication counters, it's not going to be dosed a lot of times for kids less than 6. And so what we find is that parents are essentially guesstimating on what the dose should be for their children.
A fact that Christy Edlin with the Oklahoma Poison Center says they eventually get calls about every year.
People may not recognize too that a lot of them are not going to be very effective and can actually cause more side effects than being helpful.
With winter upon us, cough and cold season is here, and the Poison Center is urging parents to not only be aware of the meds they're giving their kids, but to also be aware of how much they're giving.
Always contact your pediatrician when it comes to dosing these medications, and they may have specific recommendations for your kiddo.
Edlin says instruments for measurement like these are key. Spoons from the drawer often lead to too much and can cause increased side effects or even toxicity.
Increased drowsiness. Sometimes medications can actually go the other way and kiddos get really agitated and kind of combative.
Oklahoma Poison Control got more than 650 calls last year. Over 250 of those were specific to problems with cough or cold medication in children aged 0 to 6. So far this year, they've already had 23 calls, 11 of those specific to kids. A general rule of thumb in these situations: just stay calm and don't panic.
Give us a call. Again, we have pharmacists and nurses. We'll walk you through. We'll ask you some information.
Austin Brissett, Oklahoma's News 4.
Thank you, Austin. The Poison Control Center tells us they got more than 140 over-the-counter medicine-related calls last year.
Anyone with drug information issues or questions can call the center, and we have the number right there on your screen. Easy to remember, too.